Hello children, let's enjoy today with counting of number 0 to 9. Cheer yourself up, clap your hand and count 1 to 9. Now let's start. 0. 0 means nothing. I have 0 wings. I have 1 nose. Touch your nose. I have 2 ears. Touch your ears. Show your 3 fingers and do the boogie boogie. Show your 4 fingers and twist around. Show your 5 finger and shake your hand. Show your 6 finger and twist your wrist. Show your 7 finger and jump up high. Show your 8 fingers and blink your eyes. Show your 9 fingers and laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Ha 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 ha. Thank you.